A Place Called Home is a community center for young people in Los Angeles. It provides tutoring, counseling, case management,
but it also prepares young people to transition successfully into adulthood. So that looks like career and college preparation.
Anthony Perez is a Los Angeles Job Corps student. After Job Corps classes each day, he took advantage of the training offered at A Place Called Home, and now
working at A Place Called Home, I am the membership and parent services aide, and basically I work at the front desk and welcome all the guests.
So we're in partnership with Job Corps, and it really is a dual relationship. And so Job Corps sends us young people to participate in our programs and get job training, on the job training, while helping us fill a need that we typically have over the summer during the school year.
By participating in these internships, Los Angeles Job Corps students become mentors to youth in the community.
Yes, absolutely. So we embed the young people from Job Corps into our programs, and so they're helping to implement programming that we have for our young people. So whether that's being in the art studio, helping with our athletics program, developing programs, overseeing programs, or participating in our operational functions of the day-to-day, they're an integral part to our summer program, and we wouldn't be able to really service the young people like we want to without Job Corps.
So, do the Job Corps students learn from this experience?
Absolutely. For some of them, this is their first work site. And so not only are they getting work experience, but we're also coaching them. And so having them here at A Place Called Home, we're able to also provide mentorship. We also refer young people to Job Corps. And so if we have young people that are looking for job training, looking to graduate from high school, earn their diploma, we send them to Job Corps. So we believe in the Job Corps model because it helps young people who may not have these opportunities to work at a place like A Place Called Home or other opportunities.
Yeah, nonprofit work is not something I was used to, but once I got into it, I fell in love with it, so I'm glad to be here.
The Job Corps members have big hearts and they have a great time here at A Place Called Home.